Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to download Yubo dating app. Let's begin. Today we are going to open your Google Play Store, or if you're an iOS user, then open Apple Store. For now I'll open Play Store. Tap on search button and type Yubo dating app. Tap on it. Search for official Yubo app by 12 app. Tap on it. Then you can see the logo like this. Then tap on install. It might vary from your internet speed. Make sure you have a good internet connection to chat and make new friends. There you go, your Yubo has been downloaded. Now you can use it. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.